Alright, so I got it on there. Just make sure there. Take the screw. Just screw this back in. With the Phillips. And I'm just gonna screw it in. I'm not a professional YouTuber, so pardon my camera work there. So yeah, just screw it there. Just gonna screw that back in. Okay, it's all screwed in, ready to go. And out the rear of the bike, all you gotta do is take the LEM lights out, go into the description of my first video, and you'll get the light bulb for the back here, and put that, if you can see it, it is the LED bulb in the back. Because you put the upgraded relay, you're not gonna have any issues, no other wiring to be done. And that's about it. You're just gonna put your covers back on, and I will show you that in a little bit. 1 second. Alright, covers goes on. You line these holes up. I said you want to keep your screws, all your hardware from when you take it off. So these on. I will start the video back up once I add these back in. So there's 3 of them. There's one. There's one down here. Right there. There's one over there. Okay. As you can see, I got also have a really good flashlight to do this. You're gonna need it. Got the 3 put back in there. 1, 2, and 3. This one right here is just a fake one. So this one does nothing. This is just decoration. So there's no need to take it out or put that back in once you are working. So now I'll put this cover on here. You gotta be careful, as happened before. These have the tendency of breaking. I've had to put that back together a couple times. Be careful with these covers. Put this cover on. Okay. And then to put this down, I will show you a little bit. Okay, it is all put back together. Oh, by the way, you're gonna need your keys to get that off. So let's put it all back together. So you get the light bulbs back in. You get the new relay put in. I suggest keeping your old stuff just in case you want to sell the bike. Put all that old OEM stuff back in there. And then we have the rear LEDs back in there. Okay. So let's start it up and see how it works. All right. There you go. There it is. So we're good to go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.